Hello there, YouTube. Decided to try a little experiment here with a little bit of fur on the GoPro to see if that would. I like to have the camera sound of the camera in there. Whoa, a little close to the tree there, wasn't it? Getting all freaked out again. They're getting used to it. The other day, they weren't even freaked out by it. But anyway, I like to hear the sound of the quadcopter in the background. I mute the sound quite a bit, but I put some fur on it to see what that would do. Geez, 500 feet out there is quite a ways. That's its limit, though. This would mute some of the wind. With the GoPro in the case before I had the gimbal, it was alright because the case muted the sound, but it's so windy sounding now that it's hardly usable, and you gotta really mute the sound. It's kind of foggy out here. There's little patches of blue sky coming here and there, but watch my elevation here. Through these trees, I'm able to snag one of them. It's hard to judge. I went out to the statue thing and out by I-5 there by exit 63, and I thought I was flying next to it. In fact, I was a long ways from it. These are the woods across from my house. In that weird, where I can't figure out where, because I'm in that circle. There we go, now it's back to normal. It's amazing as quiet as it is out here. You can hear this thing pretty good. Somebody sitting outside their house. Probably wondering what the hell is that sound. Why is it flying over my house? So it's weird going back to work yesterday after having so many days off. They just think this thing's a big bee. And, you know, I won't scare them enough that don't hurt any of them. If it looks like I'm scaring them that bad, I'll obviously stop. I don't want them freaking out running into a fence or something. But they're used to me. I fly the little ones out here all the time. And like I say, they get to a point where they just don't even care anymore. They like look at me like, why are you doing this? It's you with that stupid flying device again, chasing me with the bees. Hope it's not too foggy out here. There we go. So, this will be a quick little test. I'll go ahead and put her down and see what this sounds like. It looks like it's going to get a little nicer today. Maybe we'll go find some place to fly at and goof off. I did some of that over New Year's. But that's it for now. Let's see how this thing sounds. We'll talk at you guys later. See ya.